You can do it with wet, but
How long will it usually take to dry a cat?
you know, you don't have to wait for it to dry, but just a day.
Okay.
Doesn't take long.
This cat also looks worried.
This guy, yeah.
There's a theme going
He
on
also
here.
looks, yeah, he also looks a little worried. Okay, so what's left now, it's just because I need the fondant, is we need to do his arms and his tail. His tail, again, is going to be a lollipop stick. All you're going to do is take a ball, however long you want the tail to be, okay? This is a good size for me. It's not, you know, huge. Take the lollipop stick, and I'm going to put it back a little bit, right here on the top, because this is going to get covered mostly with, and I'm going to angle it. It's going to get covered mostly with the leaves that go around here. Okay. And then,
goes, again, directly into the brownies.
Right into the brownie. Yep, that's what's going to hold it up.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm just going to take the tail and I'm going to taper it a little at the top.
Very tail-like.
Very tail-like. And then again, you're going to do your little this.
A little texturing. Fur.
Fur.
You can still do some of that texturing even after you place it on.
Absolutely. You probably need to do it once you place
Yeah.
it on because your fingers take some of it out. Okay. Put a little water on there. You don't have to, but it's always nice. And give this a little life. Give it a little twist so the cat looks like it's wagging its tail. You know, they do that snake thing with their tails.
Kind of looks like a finger.
I
Until
guess.
you put some texture in it, then it looks like a tail.
Okay, and then again with the color, if you want some brown, like a brown tip on the tail or something, where is my brown? I had it here a second ago. I moved it. Oh well.
I think I ate it.
Wherever the brown is. And then we need to do his paws because he's, you know, sitting here. So let's do his arm paw. So you'll need 2 chunks. And the nice thing about this is you form it, decide if it looks right. If it's not, then you take a little more out or add a little more to it and form it again. So you want 2 about the same size. Start with a ball.
Yep, I always do.
Always do. And then roll it. Turn your hands to the side and roll it to make it. Okay. And then we're going to take, this is his front paw and this is his shoulder. We're going to do another little thing here. So we have kind of like an elbow. Okay. So right before the paw, this is his arm and this is his paw here. We're going to flatten that a little bit and we're going to give it a little cut. Actually, you don't have to cut it. You can actually just, let me put it down. You can actually just
Oh, pause.
pause. Okay. I don't know. I think I want 3. I don't want 4. They have 4 fingers, but I don't think I like that, so I think I'm going to change it. Okay, so again.
So we can just arbitrarily change the anatomy of a cat.
Yeah, I can do anything
Just
I want.
at any point you want.
My cat.
My cat's going to have 3 fingers.
Most, you know, if you look, cartoon characters usually have 1 less finger.
Yeah.
So.
Cartoon.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do 3 fingers because I like that better. This looks. Yeah, I don't like that. See.
But
I
the
can
viewers
just
can
squish it up.
choose.
Huh?
You can give them, 5 fingers if you want. It's your cat. You
Yeah.
decide
Well,
how many
they
fingers
can have that dew claw thing going on there.
They have a dew claw thing going on?
Yeah. My dog has one of those in his back feet. That extra claw going on.
Really?
Yeah. I think they
Special.
call them dew claws. Okay. So here it is. 2 fingers instead. Okay. So you just want him.
Aw. Now he's just hanging out in the boot,
He's just
wondering
hanging out
what
in
he's
the boot.
doing there.
What am I doing here? Help me, please. Somebody take me out. It's a little fat.
Oh,
So we'll take a little
take
bit
his arm
off.
off.
Well, that's the nice thing about it is you can just, if you
Yeah.
decide you don't like it, you can redo it. Don't be afraid to squish it up. It takes 2 seconds to squish it up and redo another one. Come on. It's not too hard. And yes, I've got Brownie in that because it was a little big. All right, so he's attached. If you need to put a little water there, put a little water there. Okay, so he's got his little paws. Again, you want to put a little
Texture, fur.
texture, fur. Okay.
And you said, excuse me, you said spaghetti for the whiskers. If they were,
You could.
for sewing
I
cotton
have some here. See, you could actually do it if you want. I'm not going to do this.
with the wires or something.
This guy actually has, he's dried, so I can't add them, but you could. See, put them in. White wires would be better because they'd be white whiskers.
Yeah.